Maximize your range with this camera. We're talking about the Alexa Mini once again, and in this video, we're specifically talking about the ergonomic build and the ability to rig this camera wherever you need. If you've ever been around this camera, you'll notice just how insanely compact this camera really is. You get a big image, great, insane, awesome quality from it, and quite frankly, a small build. The ability to rig this camera on a car mount, for example, Dana dolly, easy rig. I mean, heck, you can put this camera on the side of a helicopter and you can make it work. Now, we haven't done that, but hope to do it one day. Now, in this video, we talked about why Hollywood loves the camera. And quite frankly, we couldn't agree more. We recently did a commercial for Farrah & Farrah where we used ProRes 4444 and our animator completely retrofitted the screen with lights and energy going through downtown Jacksonville. He even said how easy it was to animate using that footage because of the ProRes 4444. As a whole, you really can't go wrong rigging and utilizing this camera. I personally love using this on a Dana dolly. It balances beautifully, and then I can immediately hook it with an easy rig and get running. Have you ever used a Mini before? Let us know in the comments. What did you like about it? What did you not like about it? What did you love about it? There are plenty of opportunities to rent a Mini, and when you do, you'll realize that you want one for every single one of your productions. For more videos, like and subscribe.